What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Buick Encore. Today I'm going to show you how to access your cabin filter, okay? It's going to be behind the glove box door, and to lower the glove box door out of the way, the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the damper you have here, okay? So this damper, what it does, it slows down the door. You're going to need a small flathead screwdriver. It's probably going to help you out, but we just need to pull this arm off this hinge that's right here, okay? It can be a little bit tricky, but if you have a flathead screwdriver, you can just pry it right off, all right? And once you get it off, now what you're going to do is you're going to pull the glove box in. Okay, there's these stoppers here that stop the glove box from opening all the way. You're going to pull the glove box in, okay, on both sides. Okay, and then you can lower it. All right. Right in here is where the cabin filter is located. Okay, so this is here, filter access. And what you're going to do is on the sides here, you're going to push the tabs in. And this filter is going to be super dirty. You can already tell because there's a lot of leaves and stuff around here. And this car smells like smoke, so it's going to be pretty dirty. Once you get these pushed in, and then you can pull the door up. Whew. This filter is going to be super duper dirty. Let's get the flathead screwdriver out. I don't actually have a new filter, so I'm definitely going to have to order one. And you can see how many leaves and stuff are in this one. If you need one, check down the description box. I believe a part number and a link where you can get a new filter if you need one, okay? I'm kind of afraid to even put this one back in, which I don't think I'm going to do. But notice here that it has an arrow on it. That's for the airflow. When you get your new one and you put it in here, make sure you just put it in with the arrow facing down, okay? I think that's as far as I'm going to go with this video since I don't have a filter. But when you get your new one, you're going to try to clean out some of this right here. Just close the door up, and let's go over here to the glove box. To put the glove box back, all we got to do is push it past the stoppers here just like that, and the damper, we just snap it back on here. Okay, you might have to use a flathead screwdriver because it's kind of at a weird little angle, but we're all done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order that filter. I'll get it replaced here in a little while. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, I'd appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.